Welcome to the Scratch tutorial. Today, let's see how to create a Pong game for beginners. We'll see how it works. Okay. To create Pong game, create a new file. First, we have to select a sprite, ball. It has multiple costumes. You can select your favorite color. Delete the default sprite, cat. Drag, move 10 steps. Go to controls, drag forever. Now the ball is moving. If it touches the edge, it should bounce. Nice. You'll use point in direction. Go to operators, pick random. It can point any direction from 1 to 180. Ball can point any direction from 1 to 180. Then starting, let it choose its random position. Now go to events, drag green flag. Nice. Now select the another sprite, paddle. And we need one more sprite, line. Now let's do coding for paddle. Go to events, drag when green flag clicks, controls, drag forever, select the motion, set X to mouse pointer. As the mouse moves, the paddle should move. Then set Y to its current position minus 160. Let's see. As the mouse moves, the paddle is also moving. Now select the ball. Go to controls, drag if and go to sensing if touching paddle. It has to turn, ball has to turn 90 degrees and it continue the game, move 10 step. If it touches the edge, then it bounce again. Again go to controls, drag one more if block and if it touches the line, then we need two backdrops for this. Select the backdrop and we'll write the text game over. Fine. If it touches the line, I am using broadcast now. Go to events, drag broadcast message. Select new message and write game over. Now we'll write the code. When I receive game over, click on looks, switch backdrop to and click on controls, stop all. We should stop the game. When the green flag clicks, the backdrop should be backdrop 1. Now let's see how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my video.